this video we will be studying about the deficit demand. Now with this meaning only we can understand that what deficit demand is. That is when your aggregate demand is less than your aggregate supply corresponding to full employment. See, deficit demand refers to a situation when your aggregate supply is short of aggregate demand is short of aggregate supply corresponding to the full employment in the economy. See, when your aggregate demand is less than your aggregate supply, we get a situation that is of deficit demand. So, equilibrium between desired AD and desired AS is stuck at the level lower than the full employment in the economy. This is the situation of underemployment equilibrium. Let's understand with the help of a graph. This is the level of income or output we take. Here we take your aggregate demand. This is your aggregate supply. Our aggregate supply means output, or output at output is the income generation, so it is equal to Y. Now we used to take aggregate demand somewhere here. In this case, your aggregate demand U, AD aggregate demand is U is your aggregate demand corresponding to underemployment in the economy. That is, your aggregate demand is less than your aggregate supply. But aggregate supply, being more flexible, has adjusted itself according to the aggregate demand. And this is the aggregate demand, the actual aggregate demand, where your AD is equal to AS. That is aggregate demand of full employment level in the economy. So this is the equilibrium, this is the level of income. Qn, that is attained when your AD is less than AS, that is the income and the underemployment level, that is people are at underemployment, they are not employed fully. And when your AD is equal to AS, this is the level of income, that is M, and this is the level of equilibrium where it is full employment level. This is somewhere point C. So the difference between your aggregate demand of underemployment equilibrium and aggregate demand of full employment equilibrium is your deficit demand. So your ADU is aggregate demand corresponding to underemployment, there is less employment. Aggregate demand full is when your AD is equal to AS, aggregate demand corresponding to full employment. Right? FC. This is FC. This is the difference between your aggregate demand at full employment and aggregate demand at underemployment. So your FC is your deficit demand. See, when your AD is less than AS, your aggregate demand less than AS, here is somewhere the equilibrium is stored. So this is the point Q. So this equilibrium is under employment equilibrium. Everybody is not fully employed in the economy as because demand is less than supply. If demand is less than supply, which means output supply will be reduced. If output supply will be reduced, income will be reduced in the economy. If income will be reduced in the economy, same way there will be unemployment in the economy. People will be underemployed. So this is the aggregate demand with full employment. So this is the actual level of income where there will be full employment in the economy, and this is the gap which is known as the deficiency gap or the deficit demand. I hope you have completely understood the deficit demand case. Do download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.